Have you ever wondered what sparked the universe's existence? This is a question that has been asked by humans for centuries, sparking countless debates, theories, and philosophical discussions. One of the most widely accepted explanations is the Big Bang theory. The Big Bang theory is not just about a colossal explosion that happened eons ago. It's a comprehensive cosmological model that explains the inception and the subsequent large-scale evolution of the observable universe. It's about how everything we see, everything we don't see, and everything that exists today came into being from a singular, incredibly dense and hot point, often referred to as a singularity. This theory posits that around 13.8 billion years ago, a powerful explosion occurred from this singularity, leading to the expansion of the universe. It's as if a balloon filled with dots started inflating. As the balloon expands, the dots move away from each other, just like galaxies are moving away from each other in our universe. This vast expansion of energy and matter eventually cooled and led to the formation of atoms, molecules, stars, galaxies, and eventually planets like our Earth. Our observable universe, with its billions of galaxies, each home to billions of stars, all started from that one singular point. The Big Bang theory is supported by a multitude of scientific evidence, including the redshift of distant galaxies and the existence of cosmic microwave background radiation. It's a testament to the power of scientific inquiry and human curiosity. But as fascinating as the Big Bang theory is, it also leads us to other intriguing questions. What if such a cosmic event happened elsewhere? Not at the beginning of time, but within our cosmic neighborhood. What would happen if this event occurred somewhere closer, like Mars? So, the Big Bang theory is our best explanation of how the universe began. But what if this event occurred somewhere closer, like Mars? As we delve deeper into this hypothetical scenario, let's contemplate the potential implications and consequences. Hold on tight, because this is going to be a galactic ride. Mars, our neighboring planet, has been a subject of human fascination for centuries. This crimson sphere hanging in the night sky has often sparked our curiosity and imagination. Being the fourth planet from the Sun, it's often called the red planet because of its reddish appearance, a result of iron oxide or rust on its surface. Mars shares a few similarities with our very own planet Earth. It has polar ice caps made of water and carbon dioxide, much like Earth's north and south poles. It's also the home of Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano and second highest known mountain in our solar system. Mars experiences seasons too, albeit with a longer duration than Earth's, due to its tilted axis. But it's not all similar. The Martian surface is a desert, a stark contrast to the diverse landscapes of Earth. Mars' atmosphere is also drastically different. It's much thinner than Earth's and primarily composed of carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon. This makes it a hostile environment for human life as we know it. Mars has been a focal point of space exploration for decades. The allure of this neighboring planet lies in its potential to harbor life, past or present. Scientists are eager to uncover its secrets, with rovers like Perseverance probing the Martian surface for signs of ancient microbial life. The hope that understanding Mars might help us understand our own planet's history and future better. The prospect of human colonization of Mars has been a recurring theme in science fiction. But in recent years, it's moved from the realm of fantasy to a tangible goal. Private companies and international space agencies alike are investing in technologies to make this dream a reality. Now that we understand what Mars is, let's imagine a scenario where Mars experiences a Big Bang. What would be the consequences of such an astronomical event? How would it impact life on Earth? Let's delve into this fascinating hypothetical situation in the next segment. What would happen if a Big Bang event occurred on Mars? It's a question that tickles the imagination, isn't it? Let's delve into this intriguing thought experiment. Picture Mars, our crimson celestial neighbor, experiencing a cosmic event of such magnitude. A Big Bang on Mars would be an astronomical spectacle, a cataclysmic explosion of energy and matter. This isn't an understated fireworks display we're talking about. We're imagining an event that mirrors the birth of our universe itself. In the immediate aftermath of such an explosion, Mars would be engulfed in a gargantuan sphere of pure energy, obliterating everything in its path. The sheer power of this event would be incomprehensible, releasing energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. This energy would be so intense that it would instantly vaporize the Martian surface, turning rocks into plasma in a process akin to what scientists believe happened in the early moments of our own universe. But the spectacle wouldn't end there. Amidst this chaos, an alchemical transformation would be taking place. The immense heat and pressure would force atoms together, forming new elements, much like how stars forge elements in their fiery hearts. This means that a Big Bang on Mars could potentially create a cosmic smorgasbord of new elements, some of which might not even exist in our current periodic table. Just imagine a new periodic table with elements born out of the Martian Big Bang. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? But keep in mind, this is all hypothetical, a flight of scientific fancy. The reality of such an event is beyond our current understanding and is likely to remain so for a good while. But the immediate effects are just the beginning. What about the long-term consequences? Indeed, if Mars were to experience a Big Bang, the aftermath would have far-reaching implications not just for Mars, but for our own blue and green sphere. But that's a topic for our next scene. So keep those curiosity gears turning as we continue our cosmic journey. Scene script: Earth, being a neighboring planet, would face significant impacts from a Big Bang on Mars. Let's dive into the potential long-term effects on our home planet, Earth. One of the most immediate and noticeable effects would be changes in the gravitational pull. Mars, being a part of our solar system, contributes to the balance of gravitational forces. A sudden Big Bang would disrupt this balance, potentially causing shifts in Earth's orbit. This disruption could lead to changes in the length of our days and years. Now imagine looking up at the sky and seeing a meteor shower. Sounds beautiful, right? Well, not quite. The debris from Mars's explosion would scatter across the solar system, some of which would inevitably end up crashing into Earth. These potential meteor showers could be catastrophic, causing widespread destruction. But the effects wouldn't stop there. The meteor showers could also lead to significant shifts in our climate. These meteors, upon entering Earth's atmosphere, would generate a tremendous amount of heat. This could potentially lead to an increase in Earth's overall temperature, causing a cascading effect of climate change. We're talking about more frequent and intense heat waves, rising sea levels, and drastic shifts in weather patterns. Furthermore, the dust and debris from Mars could block out sunlight, plunging Earth into a state of a nuclear winter. With less sunlight reaching the surface, temperatures could plummet and plant life would struggle to photosynthesize. This would disrupt the food chain at its very base, leading to a domino effect on all life forms. And let's not forget, the Big Bang on Mars would also significantly affect our space exploration endeavors. Mars has always been a prime candidate for human colonization. But with Mars out of the picture, we would need to reassess our interstellar ambitions. These are some of the drastic changes Earth might experience. However, what about life on Earth? Life as we know it could drastically change if Mars underwent a Big Bang. Let's delve into the potential effects on life on Earth, from the terrifying to the transformative. First, we must consider extinction events. The explosion of Mars would send a shower of debris hurtling towards Earth, potentially causing catastrophic damage. The impact of such debris could lead to mass extinction events similar to the one that wiped out the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. Yet it is not only the physical impact we must worry about, but also the aftermath. The debris from Mars would cloud our atmosphere, blocking sunlight and plunging the Earth into a deep freeze. This nuclear winter scenario could lead to the extinction of many species unable to adapt to the harsh new conditions. But nature is resilient. Over time, Earth's organisms might adapt to these new conditions, leading to a wave of rapid evolution. The genetic lottery would be thrown wide open as life forms evolve to survive in this drastically altered world. Imagine, if you will, a world in which plants develop new photosynthetic processes to survive in reduced sunlight, or where animals evolve to withstand freezing temperatures. These adaptations might sound like science fiction, but they are within the realms of biological possibility. Moreover, the cosmic debris from Mars could potentially seed life anew. This concept, known as panspermia, suggests that life can be transported between planets within meteorites. It's possible that Martian microbes could survive the journey to Earth, leading to entirely new forms of life emerging from the cosmic dust. The effects on life on Earth would be profound and far-reaching, but could there be any positive outcomes? In every disaster, there's a silver lining. Could there be any in a Big Bang on Mars? Let's delve into the potential positive outcomes of such a cataclysmic event. It may seem counterintuitive to consider positives in the face of disaster, but as they say, every cloud has a silver lining. Firstly, this cosmic event could result in the creation of new elements. As the Martian core explodes, it could fuse atoms together to form elements that are rare or even non-existent on Earth. These new elements could have a myriad of uses, from fueling technological advancements to offering new avenues in medical research. Imagine a future where a Martian element powers our homes more efficiently, or a new compound becomes the foundation for curing diseases. The possibilities are as infinite as the universe itself. Next, the scientific community would greatly benefit from studying such a cosmic event. This would be a real-time, high-impact experiment on a planetary scale, something scientists could only dream of. The data collected could revolutionize our understanding of planetary formations, cosmic explosions, and space-time dynamics. This event would be a goldmine of knowledge, propelling us into a new era of scientific understanding. It could lead to breakthroughs in interstellar travel or even give us insights into the origins of the universe. Lastly, the explosion could potentially give rise to new life forms. Just as the Big Bang gave birth to our universe, a similar event on Mars could scatter the building blocks of life throughout the cosmos. Imagine millennia from now, discovering a distant planet teeming with life that traces its roots back to Mars. It's an awe-inspiring thought, isn't it? The death of one planet could potentially be the genesis of countless others. So while a Big Bang on Mars would have many negative impacts, there could be some unexpected benefits. Life, as we know it, might change, but it would also continue to evolve and adapt, pushing the boundaries of our understanding and expanding the horizons of possibility. The universe is a powerful and unpredictable place. A statement that holds true, especially when we ponder the monumental impacts of a hypothetical Big Bang occurring on our neighboring planet, Mars. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, every star, planet and galaxy is interconnected, bound by the invisible threads of gravity and energy. This interconnectedness means that events happening millions of miles away can have profound effects on our own planet Earth. The hypothetical Big Bang on Mars, an event of unimaginable power and scale, is a prime example. Our exploration began by understanding Mars, our neighboring planet. Just like Earth, Mars has mountains, valleys and ice caps. But unlike Earth, Mars is a barren desert, void of life as we know it. A Big Bang on Mars, while unlikely, provides an intriguing scenario to ponder. We delved into the potential long-term consequences on Earth, which could range from minor meteor showers to a shift in Earth's orbit, depending on the magnitude of the explosion. The impact on life on Earth could be equally varied. While a shift in Earth's orbit could potentially alter our climate, a significant increase in meteor activity could pose a threat to life as we know it. But it's not all doom and gloom. There could be potential positive outcomes. The explosion could eject Martian rocks into space, some of which could reach Earth. These rocks could potentially bring with them evidence of past or present life on Mars, providing invaluable insights into the possibility of life beyond Earth. In the end, the power of the universe is truly astounding and humbling. Our existence in this cosmos is delicate, interconnected, and influenced by events that occur far beyond our own planet. While this is all hypothetical, it's a powerful reminder of how interconnected our universe is, and how even events millions of miles away can have profound effects on our lives.